If you've ever had $1 million game idea while sitting on the couch munching chips, thinking this is it, the next Fortnite, but immediately thought, wait, how much does it even cost to make a game? This video is for you. Spoiler alert, it's not cheap, but it doesn't have to bankrupt you. And I know this firsthand because when I first started, I couldn't code to save my life. So I had to hire people to make my first games for me, and yeah, it was an adventure. Let's break it down together, from scrappy indie budgets to blockbuster hits like Pokemon Go. Buckle up. Alright, let's start with some heavy hitters. Ever heard of Pokemon Go? Of course you have. It cost an estimated $600,000 to $1.5 million just to get that AR masterpiece off the ground. And that's before marketing. Toss in the ads and promos and we're talking millions more. Candy Crush, that sweet, sweet money machine, we're talking $500,000 to $1 million just for development. And these are success stories. There's plenty of games that burned through cash and flopped harder than me trying to do a backflip. But don't freak out, you don't need $1 million to get started. I sure didn't. When I built my first game, I had no clue what I was doing. I couldn't code, I didn't understand the difference between Unity and Unreal Engine. I just had a dream and a wallet that was slowly crying. So I hired a team and here's what I learned. Developers charge per hour and rates depend heavily where they're from. Let's break it down. Developers in the UK, US and Australia will charge anywhere from $50 to $150 per hour because rent is expensive and apparently coffees cost $8 now. In Eastern Europe, expect to pay anywhere from $25 to $60 per hour, so you can find some solid devs who are less expensive. In India and Philippines, it's around $10 to $30 an hour, so it's very budget friendly and you could find some amazing talent if you know what to look for. So if you're building a basic mobile game that takes 300 to 500 hours, you can do the math. USA devs, $30 to $75,000. Eastern Europe, $10 to $30,000. And India and Philippines, $3 to $15,000. And yeah, I know it's still not pocket change. I'm not out here saying you can build a game with your weekly Starbucks budget, but it's a lot more doable than people think. Oh, you thought it was just hiring developers? That's cute. Let's talk about everything else. Art and design, $500 to $5,000 depending on quality. Sound and music, $200 to $2,000 if you don't want your game to sound like a 90s ringtone. Testing and QA, $500 to $5,000 because bugs are evil. And marketing, $1,000 to $100,000 plus. You can build the best game ever, but if no one sees it, well, congrats, you just made a digital paperweight. When I started, I underestimated all of this. I just thought hire a dev and boom, millionaire. Nope. I spent thousands just fixing mistakes I could have avoided if I just had guidance. That's where Indie Dream Lab comes in. Shameless plug? Absolutely. But hear me out. We help people like you build quality games without selling a kidney. We work with vetted developers, designers, and sound pros from all around the world to help bring your game to life affordably. Think of us like your game development GPS, helping you dodge the potholes and the scams. Because trust me, there are potholes. So in conclusion, how much does it really cost to build a game? Anywhere from $1,000 for a super simple project to $1 million plus if you want to create the next Pokemon Go. But the key, start smart, start small, and learn as you go. And if you want help building your dream game without maxing out your credit cards, check out Indie Dream Lab. We make quality game development affordable for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this content, and drop a comment if you have $1 million game idea. I'd love to hear from you. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.